Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to use Snap Camera, a fun and easy tool that lets you add crazy filters and effects to your webcam for Zoom calls, live streams and even just for fun. So let's get started. Snap Camera is a free app from Snap Inc. That brings Snapchat filters, also called lenses, to your desktop or laptop webcam. You can use it to Zoom, Google Meets, OBS, Twitch and more. So to get this, first open your web browser and search for Snap Camera. Now open the go to Snap Camera website, click download and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then download the file for your system, Windows or Mac. Now open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps. Once it installs the app, the first time you open Snap Camera, it might ask for permission to access your webcam. Uh, Click allow so it can work properly. In Snap Camera, go to settings, make sure the correct webcam is selected. Under the choose your camera drop down, you will see tons of filters of choose from, some cute, some crazy and some just pure fun. Click on any lens to apply it. You can also search for a specific filter using keywords. Open your voice app, Zoom, Skype, OBS, Microsoft Teams, whatever you want to use. Inside your video app settings, find the camera section, select Snap Camera instead of your default webcam. Now when you start a video call or live stream, you will show up with whatever fun lens you picked. You can switch lenses during a call or stream just by selecting a new one in Snap Camera. It updates instantly. And that's it. You are now ready to use Snap Camera like a pro. So have fun spicing up your calls and streams with wild filters. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what your favorite Snap lens is.